Good morning, it's Wednesday, April the 23rd, and I'm your host for AGORACOM TV, Paul Kondakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halts, so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Well, I've got 3 great press releases for you, and I've got 4 halts this morning. But before we get into it, I'd first like to welcome the Hughes Group to AGORACOM. The Hughes Group and AGORACOM have now joined forces to provide their online marketing strategy for 3 of the companies that are within the Hughes Group, which are Amador Gold, Golden Chalice Resources, and Klondike Silver. For those of you who don't know, Richard Hughes has been in the industry for over 30 years, and he's best known for his prominent role in the discovery of one of Ontario's richest, actually one of the world's richest gold mines, which later became known as the Golden Giant, also known as the Hemlo Mine in Ontario. So once again, Richard Hughes, welcome to AGORACOM, and thank you for putting your faith in us. Now, top story that we have for you. VMS Ventures trades on TSX Venture under the symbol VMS. We've got great results coming out of this company. It's part of their ongoing exploration program at the Reed Project Discovery Zone near Snow Lake, Manitoba. Highlights from the project include hole RD0834, which is a 36-meter intercept, which includes 2.69% copper and 0.65% zinc. And included within this intercept is a higher grade intercept, which includes 10.4 meters, grading 3.5% copper and 0.27% zinc. Next hole I have for you is RD0830, which is a 23-meter intercept, which includes 1.07% copper and 4% zinc. So great numbers coming out of VMS. VMS Ventures is focused primarily on acquiring, exploring, and developing copper-zinc properties in the Flin Flon Snow Lake VMS belt. They're last at 57 cents off their 52-week high of $1.76. Next one I have for you, south of the border, over-the-counter bulletin board. Trades under the symbol OTGO. The company's called Organic To Go Food Corp. What we're announcing today are preliminary first quarter revenues, and they're good ones, so pay attention. Revenues for the first quarter increased 43% to approximately $5.2 million, and that's up from $3.6 million from the same quarter last year. Gross profits for the quarter increased approximately 80% to $3.2 million, as compared with $1.8 million from the same quarter last year. The company's increased gross profit margins by more than 12% to 61.5% for the quarter. Jason R. Brown, we've got a quote. He's the chairman and CEO, who states, "As anticipated, our company continues to make significant improvements in all areas as we leverage our economies of scale in each of our regional operations." Organic To Go, a little bit of information. They're based in Seattle. Organic To Go is the nation's first fast casual chain cafe to be certified as an organic retailer with locations in Seattle, Los Angeles, and San Diego. Starbucks, I know you're also located in Seattle, so look out, these guys are after you. They're last at $1.30 off their 52-week high of $2.30. Final one I have for you, Brilliant Mining Corp. Trades on TSX Venture under the symbol BMC. What they're reporting on their production, we've got great numbers here. They've increased their production significantly. They've got record quarterly production, which is a 49% increase over their December 07 quarter. And this is, we're reporting on the production from the 25% owned LaFranchi nickel mine, which is located in Kambalda, in the Kambalda Nickel District in Western Australia. Highlights from the press release include quarterly production reaches 2,400 tons of nickel. That's right, 2,400 tons of nickel. It's a 49% increase from the December 07 quarter, and it's a 119% increase from the September 07 quarter. The LaFranchi mine produced 82,000 tons of ore grading 2.92% nickel, which accounts for 2,400 tons of nickel as the final product. We've got the president of Brilliant Mining, Mike Sieb, which commented, "The scheduled growth in production will be achieved through continued incorporation of Deacon ore and the sustained escalation of production from the high-grade winter ore body." They're last at 127 off their 52-week high of $2.90. Now moving into the next segment of our program, the halts. I've got 4 halts for you, as I had mentioned at the top of the show. First one I have for you, L1 Capital Corp. On the venture, LOA.P halted pending news. Belmont Resources Inc. on the venture, BEA halted pending news. Triple Dragon Resources, CNQ, under the symbol TDRN, they've been halted as they're changing their business. And finally, La Quinta Resources Corp. trades on the venture under the symbol LAQ. They've been halted pending news. And that's a wrap for today. Thank you for joining us once again. Make sure you tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open so that you can hopefully trade profitably.